How can I save my report selections to generate different types of fee reports without having to make all the selections again each time on SchoolPad?
Thank you for the query, Kajal ma'am. For this, go to the module from which you want to generate your report. For this example, I'll be using the daily collection report. Let's go to daily collection report. Click on create new report. Now let's do the selections to generate the report. In this example, I need a report with the amount collected for each fee head to be shown as separate columns along with separate columns for the payment mode from which the amount has been paid. For example, a separate column for cash payment, a separate column for check payments, and so on. So let's tick the appropriate options, starting with fee heads, mode, and separate mode, which will help me generate separate columns for the payment instrument for each transaction. Now let's give it a name like mode-wise fee report and click on print. I have generated the report which has head-wise bifurcation, and if you see at the end there's a column for cash, because during this period we only have cash entries. Now let's go back and open the daily collection report module again, and you'll see the saved report in the drop-down. Let's select the report, and put in the dates for which the report is required, and click on print button. That's it. You don't have to do all the selections again with saved reports. You can save your reports not just in the fee reports, but also in the examination and student data reports. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.